Both the Houses of Parliament have been adjourned till 2 p.m. following DMK and some other opposition MPs' protest over proposed delimitation of Lok Sabha and Assembly constituencies. In Chhattisgarh, 18 Maos were killed in an encounter with security forces in Bijapur district today. Union Tribal Affairs Minister Jewel Oram has said the government is implementing various schemes to increase the literacy rate among scheduled tribes. Ministry of Corporate Affairs hosted its second open house for the PM internship scheme to engage and support eligible candidates of the scheme. The Board of Control for Cricket of India (BCCI) today announced a cash reward of 58 crore rupees for Team India following their triumph at the ICC Champions Trophy 2025.